Hey, what's up, Morphe babes? It's Lipstick Nick, and today we're in Studio Morphe with the beautiful
Daisy Marquez.
We have been wanting to work together and do a look and play makeup for a while now, and with the launch of JH Volume 2, this was the most highly requested look that everyone was asking for a tutorial for. So we thought today we would play around with some oranges and some purples, and I think it looks stunning on you.
It looks so good.
I just love this color combination. It's so unique and so different. So if you guys want to watch how to create this look, then keep on watching.
Oh my god.
The colors look so good on you.
What?
It's like,
Yo, oh my god, it looks so good. I'm literally sleeping in this. Oh my god, Nicole.
cheekies, you look like a
Oh
doll.
my god. This looks so good.
How do you like it?
The lips look so
It
good.
looks so good. It's so pretty on
You opened up my eyes so much. Like, wow.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed, and make sure you guys hashtag MorpheBabe on any of your JACLYN Hill Volume 2 recreations. Till next time, bye.